Welcome to the space for transformational leaders to unleash their magic, see better client results, work lighter, and live sourced. Hi, this is Darla. Welcome to today's video. You can't quick fix your leadership, but here's how your magic can help. I was talking with a friend recently who has a rather large business with quite a few team members and was asking me, what do I do? I keep explaining how something needs to be done, and I know how it needs to be done, and I know the way that they're doing it isn't effective, but yet every single time I come back, they're still doing it that way, and I don't really know what to do. Help. And I could tell this person wanted like a quick, easy answer, like do it like this or say it like this. Or even, a traditional thought process would be, are you holding them accountable? Is there a structure for accountability, which actually would be great in this scenario, but there's more to it than that. And there's not yet been established a culture and brand values that would be something that they can tie back to say, we do it this way because. We do it this way because. And then receiving buy-in that the actual people working care about those values and are aligned with them. Now, one of the values that we use, because, I talk about magic here, our sourced magic, or the 6 ways we know what we know, and how to interpret it and how it fires. And I just want to share a snippet of how this can be helpful when you're working with a team in a case like this. So if someone continued to do something one way, and my magic is saying, this way is going to work, we have a culture here at Sourced where we can call magic, where we can say, you know what, my magic is really firing right now, and this is the way that's going to work. And we've normalized this in our culture for our team to where if someone knows and they know that they know that they know because they're getting it as truth in this scenario, then we honor that. Now, in this instance, if something, keeps not going the way I would want it to go, I would ask, this is what my magic is saying. Tell me what's going on for you. And it has a different depth of conversation to really go beyond, this is how I think it should be done, this is how you think it should be done, this mind knowing, into what feels resonant for me as the leader and for the team, right? Now, ultimately, me as the leader, it has to feel resonant for me. But if I'm not doing it and the other person has a way where their magic fires better, by all means, then they should call magic, right? So there's 6 types of source magics. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the link below this video so you can take the quiz and find out what yours is. And I feel curious, especially for those of you who do know your magic and you've been studying in this way for a while, how might being able to call magic with your team actually make a difference? This is Darla Ledoux, founder of Sourced, and we'll see you in the next video.